We declare that scientific evidence shows, beyond all reasonable doubt, that human-caused changes to our Earth, changes to our land, our seas and our air, are severely threatening the habitability of our planet. We further declare that overwhelming evidence shows that if global greenhouse gas emissions are not brought rapidly down to net zero, if biodiversity loss is not halted, we risk damage to our planetary life support systems that is catastrophic and irreversible, causing incalculable human suffering and many deaths. We note that despite the scientific community first sounding the alarm on human-caused global warming more than 4 decades ago, no action taken by government so far has been sufficient. Global greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise steeply. Biodiversity loss continues at an ever-increasing rate. We now call for immediate and decisive action by governments worldwide. We call for governments to halt greenhouse gas emissions. We call for governments to take action to prevent further biodiversity loss. And we call for governments to restore, to the fullest extent possible, the damage that has already been done. We urge governments to provide particular support to those who will be most affected by climate change and by the transition to a sustainable economy. As scientists, we have an obligation beyond merely describing and understanding the natural world. We must now take an active part in helping to protect it. We note that the scientific community has already tried all conventional methods to draw attention to this crisis. We believe that the continued governmental inaction over the climate and ecological crisis constitutes a crime against humanity. We believe that this crime now justifies non-violent direct action, which goes beyond the bounds of the law. We are therefore actively supporting those who are rising up peacefully against governments that are failing to act proportionately to the scale of this crisis. We believe it is our moral duty to act now, and we urge other scientists to join us to protect humanity's only home.